Hello, everyone. I'm talking to you. I want to first of all say that I'm really proud of us as Nigerians. It's good to see that there's still good in us for this Mohbad issues and how everyone has come out and seek for justice. I really like that a lot. And I think, and I hope and I pray that we can keep it up, and take down all these evil empires so we can, start a new beginning where we can look after each other, help each other, and just take care of one another. But I will say, man, I'm really sad about, the death of Mohbad. And I don't think he deserved that. It was way too young. I mean, it's just, I don't understand how people can be so evil, even if they didn't do it. Bullying was real. Like, what they did, they should be in jail for it, honestly. So that's really assault, right? But the country we live in, people are connected, and I like the fact that everyone is trying to, address this issue and fight against this evil way of doing things in Nigeria. Justice for Mohbad, man.